Tell you something. Gaza fans, no loyal. No loyal, and all the Vibes Cartel alone no loyal to. No loyal to no Gaza member. Because
May I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
One, I don't know Media Fox, you know. Yeah, man. I know a thing set. So Neko fire run out. Chat one bag of thing about the Gaza people, them. You see me? Yeah, but we're going to see and see. Yeah. We'll see where I say. Because you don't know the money. Always a yippee up, you know. Yeah, you know the money. I chat him out. You see me? So we're going to see what I want.
that this Neko fire, you know. But I tell you something. Gaza fans, no loyal. No loyal, and all the Vibes Cartel alone no loyal to. No loyal to no Gaza member. Because I remember when Vibes Cartel come from prison and me do a podcast with Shidel Review and say, Addy, more you link back with Ryhno and set back the thing and give you that strength. And the whole of cost me. Say Vibes Cartel not to do that. Vibes Cartel not to give no trait and no strength because them boy they violate the boss and all kind of something. And Missy Vibes Cartel give back Ryhno and strength. And Ryhno thing I go on. Missy Uno, Gaza fans, cuss popcorn and say popcorn.
Yo, I'm going to tell you with the Gaza people, see, the Gaza people, them not even loyal to Kartel when it comes to music, you know. Because when Kartel drop him album, them not there to support it. But you see, when it comes to trolling and cussing people on the internet, fake Kartel, yeah, man, them they right out, man. I always say this, Kartel have the wrong set of fans. The wrong set of fans, may I tell you, because I feel like, say, the impact what Kartel have, him should have a lot more, what I call it, accolades, you know, like platinum plaques and them something, the #1 album and a lot of things. Maybe even Grammy, right? Like sales, like Dede, like huge sales. Like if an album, at least 20,000 for the first week. I always say that Kartel is a talented artist, you see me? So I always say you have a wrong set of fans them. Because the fans them, when Kartel put out an album or anything, me not see them cuss out that. Them only cuss out the people them when it comes to Kartel. Especially the artists where them say this Kartel and them little thing there, yeah. Them run out and diss them, but when Kartel link up with them now, yeah, the man them good back. You see it. But you don't know Kartel go prison and you know him see a vision and forward out and him say I'm good with everybody and you know them have them look a difference, but that are just Gaza fans. Remember, you know, some of the people them are not actually true Gaza fans, you know. Some of them just run with Gaza thing like for just clout or you know, them just want to say Gaza if you say Gaza the trend. Them not want to say no other cause maybe them feel like say yo. It's like this. Yo, some people just love go over some place where have crowd. Them not like place where it look empty or when nobody not to run off. It's like how when Russian them drop them rhythm, the people them, yo, you have so many producers in Jamaica. But when Russian drop rhythm, so Russian link with the Gaza now and you know Russian top producer and him do Spanish and you don't know high color youth. Them will fight and run go for try get a little accept on that rhythm there, do go on that rhythm there. But you have much producer in Jamaica, them nah do it. I just saw people stay. But you see Gaza fan them now, them loyal to Kartel based on like to me I like him defender them. And a really actual fan way that say yo, fan support you all the way and everything. Yeah, music, this, that, yeah. But them not support the music the real way, just that. You understand? For buy this and buy songs, no, I don't know why. Sometimes I wonder. But them with did their way send your threat. Yeah, threat to your life and this yo. This the Gaza boss, yeah. Because I'm a Kartel fan base. Bill for Kartel fan base kinda bill for the badness thing, you know. Yeah. The badness thing. Yeah, and really it's like the music when I'm sing, you just sing back then, is like it give that badness impact there. And people just, the bad people them out like, yeah, them just run with that. Is it? So I just that with the Gaza fan them. Them would threaten and them would chase. So yo, but right now if Kartel could have get accolades off like him fans defending him or these people on the internet, trust me, he would have full of platinums and golds and everything. You see it?
Cheater and all kind of something and got Kartel for run it, Popcorn and all kind of something. And I see Popcorn and Vibes Kartel link back. Even Shawn himself never approved Vibes Kartel for a link back with Popcorn and link back with Ryhno. But the boss link with the man them and Shawn have to humble himself. Me see that. And I tell him one next thing when me see too. Me remember when Vibes Kartel come from prison and Lisa hype their own teacher and all on I bash him. And all on this him. And I say I'm shouldn't make Lisa come back around him. And me see when Lisa head get chip off. Me see all on advocate for teacher this the girl. And me have to pick up for the girl and say you wanna leave her. She need help. None of no loyal to no Gaza member. No loyal to Vibes Kartel. Family.
A real thing, man. That's a real thing because I never like that incident. You understand? And she found out and talk a lot of things, and I think people really look it over. Like people say she mad out and this and that, and you know them not look between things. Like them just start this her and that even make things get worse. Cause when she go up on her live, them and thing and they must say something, boy, you this the boss, and it kind of get triggered, which we don't really know what happen, and it must something happen make she react them type of way. But if you realize right now, I think Lisa Hyper do her thing right now. When they two see her in the media again, and I just saw the thing said like when it comes to females in the Gaza, like I don't know. Like India, I guess I don't know the Gaza people them I don't really know if them love the Gaza girls. I don't know cause last time them say Gaza Kim get beat up. I don't know Sheba say she no get no call from Kartel for do no show. You don't know Vanessa Bling. She's kinda stay for her. And true them they ask her about Kartel in an interview. You know, Gaza fan out for her. You see it. But I never like that could play out there with Lisa Hype because Lisa Hype did their own. Lisa Hype and Kartel, them know each other a long time, and you know, if you know say yo, she did their own Kartel when him come out and did a little while, and then we know say she kinda sick, but I feel like some of the things that will happen, like when she step on the media, I feel and a madness. It's just that it trigger stuff. And remember, you know, just born and just get up mad, you know. Sometimes some thing and some stress and some scenario what happen to you and make you get, you know, crazy out. And we don't know what really started. We don't know what happened make she just get mad kinda like so we know her and thing. You see me? So me never like that play there because you know she's a woman and anybody could go through the situation. And you know, me not like the Gaza fan them did her away. And for no say yo she did their own Kartel and thing, and you know, I feel like them should at least show like a care same way. Yeah, then I call her mad. All of them things kind of trigger her off still too, you know. Yeah, because I'm a woman full of emotion, so imagine kind of get to her, she that try go to the social media and you know get the attention there for you know, but it's a lot of thing people, but a real thing. Gaza fan should at least, you know, show like a care and show her love same way. Cause maybe that she want for kind of, you know, ease down and thing, but I don't know what go on. But I saw you think, say, I just Gaza fan them, you know, you can't really change them. They love them boss Kartel, so, you know, you have to just love them. But you have some more gonna sit there to car. Me I tell you, if Kartel never fought for the road, you know, right, you don't know what go on. I tell you, no. Maybe they wouldn't, maybe all this war thing with me and Massicka and Tamili, may I tell you that right now, that be a different thing right now, may I tell you. Yeah.
And Sparta, Tamale Sparta, Massicka war no. No for only I support Tamale because only want Massicka lose the war. Does it?
Brother, that's a madness, bro. That's a madness, brother. You can't say that, Neko Fire. What you mean support Tamale because no want Massicka lose? That nah make no sense, fam. That nah make no sense, dog. If Massicka not execute and bring the vibes and the punchline to the people, them, what you expect, bro? Like, this is like, bro, this is like watching 2 car race and you rate the man there. But this a man you lead and it's like, yeah, tell the man say, yo, I shouldn't rate that the man there for bring down this a man their car there. Through the car there, a Lamborghini. And that's why you know push it up to it there first. You know go and I say, come on, bro, like Massicka not deal with family the way. That's the problem, you know. The Massicka thing shock you know. Because Massicka never yet been in a clash where we really pay attention to. Because I can't remember the clash between Massicka and Khalid, to be honest. Like, because them time they never did too entwine into dancehall like that. You see me? Yeah. So, but me go listen back and thing and I say, Jano. But yeah, you end up here say you was some paid clash and thing. But this now, everybody are tuning into this. Everybody are listening to the lyrics, punchline, everything in other song. Some no feel so, bro. If Massicka did that this up Tamil the real way and I do with the people and come with the right flow and everything, yeah, brother, everybody would not say, yo, Massicka do it, brother. But me keep on hear people say, yo, I show a Tamil and a link to Gaza. And come on, bro, my youth. Come on, brother. Massicka just not him just a sing but the same gun song them everything, bro. Him a feel, you know. So what you want the people them say? You see me, cause Tamil grime up the song them, bad up the song them. That's why people are say, yo, Tamil do it, brother. The flow, everything right. You see it. So I feel like that. Yeah, you have some people out there, but majority, bro, and Massicka just not execute the thing right.
Cause no found on support Sparta. On just a support on want Massicka lose. So me have enough proof for sure to say on don't rate no Gaza artist.
But brother, Massicka once well, I don't know, but Massicka no Gaza artist, brother. So we are talk about support. I don't understand this. So Massicka and a Gaza again. Me did think I did Gaza genocide. So what you mean now say yo true Tamil a Gaza artist and brother now where the who was the Gaza people and been pushing Massicka, brother? Eh? So me not understand that.
Just real teacher and I true Massicka and teacher and that vibe and the whole of them are different teacher. That's why I don't want Massicka lose.
Yo, we can't believe this. How people can make Massicka lose? Tell me now. If Massicka not drop the right song them, what do want the people them do? How people will say, yo, Massicka lose. If Massicka drop the song them for diss up Tamil and call name and everything, then the people them say, yo, Massicka did it away, you know. You see the thing is that una look for some sympathy thing. I mean, know why, you know. It's like this. You see, you always have that thing they like. You see when people are gang up on a man, it's like you always have them people that say, yo, for me some man just a gang up on the youth and I say, you always have them people, bro. But them nah look pan wagwan in the situation. Massicka not executing the songs them, bro. You understand? Him nah giving the flow them, him nah counteract the way him for counteract to whatever Tamilia say. Him nah listen. And that's the problem, bro. You understand? Because you have other people out there say, yo, you know, especially when him go use the cartel flow and him nah use it the right way. A lot of people say, yo, bro, you know, this nobody, you know. Him, bro. I make himself feel, brother. You understand? And nobody had born a Tamil and this, him. And that's the problem.
So I saw it go. Who want to believe me, no believe me. I don't want to believe me. But I see him so it go. And me I bust on the bubble again. Me say enough around the on our Gaza, this Shawn Storm wickedest. Me I see site where I say a Gaza platform and Gaza this. And me enough of them never put up a Shawn Storm song yet. The only thing me them say, teacher, help Shawn Storm with a song. You never stream youth song and give youth a strength yet. So you no rate Gaza.
But brother, this are the thing enough Shawn Storm Shawn Storm, of course the people them all them know about the song. Shawn Storm give the song them, bro, like I don't know where man sing, brother. The song them not sound listenable, brother. You understand? It's like you are gonna take up a song and play it. You are DJ. And if the song are shaggy, you are gonna take that song there and just play in a party, so brother. Shawn Storm spend no quality time and listen. Me ever wonder if him listen back in. Me see man do one song when him in a like scary mask. And the man goes about, I say, what is that man here, the brother? Shawn just not doing well with the song them, bro. It's just not, fam. You understand him now? The song them when I put out, bro, is like, one expects that you, bro, that enough to do it nothing, Lord. The man just not putting out quality songs, fam. Kartel can't help Shawn with song, bro. Cause right now the Gaza people them, cause you talk about, first of all, you talk about the people them nah support Shawn music. Them nah support Kartel music, brother. You know, the Kartel drop album and it's like, you wonder what one. Kartel been a drop song. Them nah too meds it. How much hit song Kartel get from him come out of prison? Tell me. But him whole I'm shows them full up though. So it a go for Kartel too, bro. That's just Kartel fans. Them only gravitate to like controversy and them thing there and for these people on the internet and them look at thing. That's what them do. If them nah support them boss music, or them gonna support the artist them with the boss. Nah make no sense, fam. Nah add up me G. You see it, so brother it nah have to do with nothing. Shawn just not putting out the song good, bro. The song them just not sounding good, brother. You understand? Bro, people them a listen to Shawn song. But Shawn just nah execute the sound and the flow of the song them. It's like, you wonder what one. I remember the Kartel is a talented artist, so they might expect better from Shawn too. So, bro, a man cannot do something, you know. And him just not good at it, you know, bro. And it's just that be a point where him just looking at himself and say, yo, this just not work. You see me? Because this are the thing. It's like, where I say now? It's like you have a house and you want your house style. See? You want your house style, but the tile him not tile, the thing them not level and every little thing. You understand? What you gonna do? If you see say when him tile your house, when you look your step on one it sink or it crack or him not do it good, what you gonna do? Keep on employing him? You gonna waste your money like if you keep on employing you think them and nothing now get done and everything a waste. You gonna work with the person who tile your house good. So you know if you call back no tile and your tile broke where you have to spend more money. It's just like that. Chance I'm just nah deal with the song them good, bro. You wonder where the man a sing from. I dance all this in a brother. This and not some over China thing or you know. So I just that brother. But I just one of them thing there. Gaza fan is just Gaza fans.
Artists them, or not just real teacher. But just a truth.
Yeah man, people. I just one of them thing there. Gaza fan them now go change, you see it. Him just read Kartel, bass pan. You don't know the badness. Them rating music, them go and show them. But when it come to supporting the music, nah, that not really did it. You understand? Yeah. I just one of them things, you see me? Yeah. But people don't know, you know, media facts, you know. Yeah man, that is it.